Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Welcome to Chandbagh School, Physics Department, Grade 7, Lesson number 14. Dear students, last time I gave you assignment about the circulatory system and digestive system. Today we are going to start the new unit, living organisms and their characteristics. Uh, this lesson we are going to understand what are living organisms and their characteristics, how the living organisms are different from the non-living organisms. And then we will discuss the 7 characteristics of the living organisms which differentiate them from the non-living organisms. And then I will give you an assignment. My dear students, in this lesson, you can see the first slide which shows the some objects starting from micro objects to the uh, macro level objects and some other things which we are using in our daily life. Some are biotic and other are abiotic. Biotic means living things and abiotic means non-living things. So looking at the examples, the plants, the protists, fungus, bacteria, animals, human being, all these are living things because they have some special characteristics which differentiate from the non-living things. And you can see the soil, water, light, minerals, air, etc. These are non-living things. No doubt these things are necessary for living things, but we will differentiate them with some special characteristics of living and non-living things. So you can see and look at the okay. So living things have some special characteristics and attributes, uh, like they can have nutrition. They need food. They need water. They need you see air, oxygen, etc. to live, to be alive. And other characteristics, second characteristics of living things is that they can grow, they can move, they have sensitivity, they can sense the environmental change, and they can reproduce, they can give birth, they can have you see the plants can have seeds which can grow into the plants again, and animals can give birth. Some birds can give eggs and egg can have you see chickens, etc. So they can reproduce. And the seventh characteristics is that they respire. Human being take oxygen in and carbon dioxide oxide is taken out. So they can excrete as well. Plants also can you see taking carbon dioxide and the light and minerals, they are being fed. So these are the characteristics or attributes of the uh, living organisms. Non-living organisms cannot have these kind of attributes. So remember that the living things, they can they can take food. Non-living things, they don't need food. Human being need food, but minerals, they don't need food. The human being or the animals or the living organisms, they can grow. Small, the human being, they give birth of small baby, then the baby grows up and become bigger and bigger, and he becomes man, and then so on and so forth. But if we take water in a glass, it will remain the same water, same amount of water. It will not grow. It will not expand. It will not become bigger or smaller. Similarly, the movement, yes, human being can move from one place to another place, but the water or the minerals or they don't have movement. Wherever we place them there, they will remain there. And similarly, sensitivity, we are sensitive to the environment. We can feel the summer, we can feel the winter, we can, you see, we can feel the smell and so on and so forth. Whatever the changes occurs in our environment, we can feel them. We are sensitive to the changes in the environment. Similarly, we can excrete. We are taking oxygen inside and carbon dioxide is being taken outside. We are excreting carbon dioxide because this is wastage of uh, some wastes of our body. Similarly, I talked about the reproduction and respiration. You need to explain why a car is non-living things. Even car can get energy from fuel and can move. So you need to differentiate that what characteristics are not there as it can be considered as living organisms. So thank you very much, dear students. And you need to give this. I'm sorry for the last two assignments which I could take feedback that you could not understand because of the text not clear. It was blur text. So whosoever feel that it cannot be read, just let me know on my WhatsApp so that I can send him the clear picture on WhatsApp. Thank you very much. Stay safe. Stay home. Allah Hafiz.